Okay, problem number 14. Now, you will notice with problem number 14, it has the exact same balanced equation as problem number 13. So that's a nice thing. And what you need to understand is that we can take the exact same balanced equation and ask multiple questions with that. And so that's what's happened here. So problem 14 now is asking, if you start off with 100 grams of oxygen, how many liters of carbon dioxide are produced? So we're going to go ahead, convert this stuff over. So we want our grams of O2. We know that's going to equal to 1 mole O2. We don't want moles of O2, so mole O2 comes here. This is where we're going to do our mole to mole conversion, all right, or ratio. And so we want carbon dioxide. So now we can go ahead and put mole carbon dioxide. Now remember, this is the only time we can actually change the compound. Over here, we don't change the compound. Oxygen stays with oxygen, all right? And these numbers here are going to come from our coefficients up above. So carbon dioxide has a 1 up here as our coefficient. So there's the 1. And oxygen has a coefficient of 2. So there's the 2. Okay, we don't want moles of carbon dioxide. So mole carbon dioxide, we know it's going to be 1. We're going to stay with carbon dioxide, but this time we're going to go with liters of carbon dioxide. And we know that this tool is 22.4 liters. Now, oxygen. We need to look up on our periodic table the mass for oxygen, which is 16, but we have 2 of them because this is a diatomic molecule, so it really is 32. Okay, grams of oxygen cancel, grams of oxygen cancel. Moles of oxygen cancel, moles of carbon dioxide cancel. We're left with our liters of carbon dioxide, which is exactly what we want. Let's simplify by bringing the numbers down. We have 100 times 22.4, all divided by 32 and 2. Okay, so let's do a couple things here. Let's 2 can go into 22.4, 11.2. All right, that becomes a 1. Let's see. If we divide 32 by 4, okay, 32 divided by 4 becomes 8, and 4 divided by 100 is 25. Okay, so this time we have now 25 times 11.2, all divided by 8. Okay, so we're going to need our calculator. Calculator's on. We have 25 times 11.2 equals, so now I have 280 all divided by 8, which is equal to, divided by 8 equals 35 liters of CO2. And that is how we end up doing problem number 14. Again, remember, we can use the exact same balanced equation to ask multiple questions, and we can keep changing this part of the problem.